Drowning in paperwork and endless tasks? Let's transform your real estate grind into a smooth, automated dream with Zapier. Zapier is your secret weapon, a no-code automation tool that connects your favorite apps, freeing you from repetitive tasks and giving you back precious time. First, let's tackle lead generation. Imagine every new website inquiry instantly populating your CRM. In Zapier, you'll create a Zap, starting with a trigger. This is the event that kicks off your automation. Choose your form app, like Jotform or Typeform, and connect your account. Zapier will then ask you to select the specific form you want to monitor for new submissions. Next, add an action. This is what Zapier will do, and the trigger happens. Select your CRM, such as Salesforce or HubSpot, and connect your account. Now, the magic happens. Field mapping. Match the information collected in your form, y name, email, phone number, y to the corresponding fields in your CRM. This ensures every lead is accurately recorded. Let's automate property listing updates. Set your trigger to be when a new listing is added to your real estate platform. Then have Zapier automatically post about it on your social media accounts. Finally, enhance client communication. Automatically send personalized emails or SMS messages when a property showing is scheduled, an offer is received, or a closing date is set. With Zapier, you can focus on what matters most: building relationships and closing deals. Say goodbye to tedious tasks and hello to a streamlined, efficient real estate business.